What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Delana Kagan, and in this video I will be showing you how to do passion twist the crochet method. You will need a crochet needle, rubber bands, brown gel, and or edge control. I'm using water wave hair in the inch 22. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. And in this video, I'm just showing you the hair. Now I am pulling the hair apart just to add volume to the twist. I use 2 pieces of the hair. And in this video, I am going to slow it down for you guys. You will take your crochet needle, make sure the flap of the needle is open. Stick the needle right underneath your rubber band on your foundation, like so. Once you have your crochet needle in, you will pick up your hair, and as you will see, I'm going to give the hair a little twist right in the middle, right where I'm going to put the hair inside the crochet needle so all of the hair fits inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the hair inside the crochet needle. Once all the hair is inside, go ahead and pull the little flap on the crochet needle. Make sure it's down and secure. Once it's secure, go ahead and pull it through nice and gently. Once you go ahead and pull it through, you're going to take the hair off the crochet needle. And it's going to be a little loop that you will see. Once you see that, you're going to put your fingers through it to make sure you keep that open, because you're going to take the other half of the hair and you're going to pull that right on through. So once you pull it through, you just grab the loop with one hand and you pull it through with the other. Once you pull only a half of the hair through, you're going to hold that half in one hand and you're going to take the other half that's down below and you're going to give it a nice tug to make sure your foundation is nice and tight. And that completes the foundation. And here I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the video. The same thing you just saw, I'm just going to give it to you in a faster motion. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment that down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and give the video a likes up as well. And also subscribe to my channel so you guys can see other tips that I have for you guys. And here you guys will see me doing a twisting motion. Look at my right hand there. As I twist, I'm just tucking the hair. Go ahead and add edge control and or gel to the ends of the hair so you can go ahead and hide the tips so they don't stick out through the hair. So I'm just twisting all the way to the end. And once I get to the end, I'm going to go ahead and give just the end of it a little curling motion so the end can be like a little spiral curl like the rest of the hair. And that's what I was telling you about. And there it is. There is your passion twist. 22 inches. Very nice and neat and easy. And here is the finished touch. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Very nice and neat. And these are jumbo passion twists. You can do them how big or small that you want. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and comment anything down below. Thank you guys. See you again.